Trolling ASMR artists with loud music PT.3. Huh?
Thanks, I guess. But preferably can we not send those guys, please, 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 you guys. I know they're so loud, That's the bad part about them. If they were just quiet, or even at least a little bit like quieter, it'd be better. But they're just so obnoxiously loud. I'm not gonna even say anything moving forward. I'm not gonna even say anything. I'm just gonna start blocking.